Hey there, Tweetie here. Wanted to let you know that we have links down in the description that can help you with more things, and we have quite a few playlists for you to be able to investigate. But here at Teeny Tiny, we want to get right to it. Don't think that you can do this all by yourself if you're living in a family or a group situation. Your entire family or groups needs to be on board. You need all your oars in the paddles in the water at the same time. They don't have to be as excited as you are. They don't have to have all of the knowledge. All of you have a little bit that you can contribute to this. And all of you need to know how and what the plan is and what direction you're going to be going. It doesn't have to be something that consumes your everyday life. It is for us because we care about you and we want to make these things important for you to be able to find the information you need. But you need to make sure that you have them under your wings, that they're with you and helping you prepare as much as possible. Even the kids can help you prepare. There's lots of things all of you can be doing together. And so if you've liked this little tip and you want more of them, give us a like. Subscribe to us, and we will be here for you to encourage you and assist you on your way in these matters. God bless. Angels all around. Bye now.